Welcome to this quick guide on how to record a group video chat as a video on the Telegram app for PC with the new update. If you want to capture your group conversations effortlessly, follow these simple steps. First, open the Telegram app on your PC. Then navigate to the group where you want to start the video chat. At the top of the group chat window, you'll see three icons. Click on the middle one, which is the call icon. Next, select Start Video Chat from the options that appear. You will then be prompted to choose your account. Simply select it and click Continue. Once the video chat opens, look for the three dots icon. Click on it to open more options. From there, choose Start Recording. A new window will pop up where you can decide to record the video as well. Make sure you check the box labeled Also Record Video and then select your preferred video orientation, either portrait or landscape. After that, hit Continue. You'll be asked to add a title for your recording. Give it a name that helps you identify the video later, then click Start to begin recording the group video chat. Your video chat is now being recorded directly through Telegram on your PC. When you're finished, you can stop the recording from the same menu, and the video will be saved for you to access. This method is perfect for capturing important conversations, meetings, or fun moments with friends in any Telegram group. Just remember to inform participants before recording to respect privacy. Now, you can easily record your Telegram group video chats without relying on any third-party apps or screen recorders, thanks to this built-in feature with the latest Telegram update. Enjoy your seamless and simple way to capture group chats on Telegram.